Alright, let's dive into something that's been blowing my mind lately. NASA just dropped an image that's not only visually stunning, but also packed with layers of cosmic drama. Picture this: two galaxies colliding, forming what looks like a giant exclamation mark in space. Yeah, you heard that right. An exclamation mark. But here's the thing, this isn't just a cool photo. It's a snapshot of a process that's been unfolding for millions of years, and it's got me thinking about the sheer scale of the universe and how tiny we are in comparison. Personally, I think what makes this really interesting is how it humanizes space. We often think of galaxies as static, distant objects, but this image reminds us they're dynamic, evolving, and sometimes even dramatic. Now, let's break this down. The galaxies in question are known as ORB 302, and they're in the early stages of a collision that will eventually merge them into one. What many people don't realize is that galactic collisions aren't rare. They're a fundamental part of how the universe evolves. But what's unique here is the angle. From our perspective, it looks like a perfect exclamation mark, which is just wild. If you take a step back and think about it, this is nature's way of saying, "Hey, look at me." And it's working, because this image has captivated not just scientists but also the entire internet. One thing that immediately stands out is the supermassive black hole detected in the top galaxy, the stem of the exclamation mark. Chandra's X-ray vision revealed this gravitational giant, hidden behind layers of dust and gas. Here's where it gets fascinating. Black holes are often portrayed as these destructive monsters, but they're also crucial for galactic evolution. They regulate star formation, influence the structure of galaxies, and, in this case, are part of a larger story of transformation. What this really suggests is that even in destruction, there's creation, a theme that feels oddly relatable, doesn't it? Now, let's talk about the social media reactions, because they're almost as captivating as the image itself. One user called it gravity with patience, which is such a poetic way to describe this slow, inevitable dance. Another saw it as a magic wand and a heavenly rose, blending wonder and beauty. Personally, I love how space inspires such diverse interpretations. It's a reminder that science isn't just about data, it's about how it makes us feel, how it sparks our imagination. What makes this really interesting is how it bridges the gap between the scientific and the emotional, showing that even the most distant cosmic events can feel deeply personal. But here's the deeper question this image raises: what does it mean for us? If galaxies can collide, merge, and transform over millions of years, what does that say about change in our own lives? Is it something to fear, or is it an opportunity for something new? From my perspective, this image is a metaphor for resilience, for the universe's ability to constantly reinvent itself. And maybe, just maybe, it's a nudge for us to embrace change in our own lives, no matter how chaotic it seems. So, as we wrap up, I'll leave you with this thought. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember that those distant lights aren't just stars, they're stories. Stories of collisions, transformations, and the relentless march of time. And who knows? Maybe, just maybe, we're part of one of those stories too. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.